What's going on, guys? Back with another video. We still don't have Mauricio here. My man's still sick. Fuck COVID-19. Fuck Corona. Alright, so today we have our exhaust install. STI. Getting a new exhaust. Right now it's straight pipe all the way back. Ricky just bought an exhaust. We're gonna do our fourth wide open throttle pull. You guys hear that? Oh my god, let's downshift to first. Jesus! Oh my god! Alright, here we go. Let's do this right quick. Just listen to this thing. This thing is too loud. Jesus. Alright, listen. We're going downshift to third. And now to second. Oh my god. What the fuck? Alright, we're gonna drop to third gear right now. Drop third gear. Start data logging now. Take it to 3,000. Hit it. Alright, so now we're gonna jack up the car and we're gonna get this exhaust popping. Shit a little too loud and too raspy, as you guys heard on those clips. The joint is stupid loud. So let's tone it down just a tad bit. At least get that raspiness out of the way. Let's get to it. Alright, so we got the car jacked up. So the exhaust is right here. It's an NVIDIA full titanium single exit. This joint weighs like 2 pounds. This joint better than it's better than the Tome. I can tell you that. I could lift this up with a freak my pinky. Is that light? So yeah, we got this for a steal. I think the exhaust cost like 2,000 or something like that. Ricky got it for 600 bucks. Full titanium. You know, my dick weighs more than this. You know, what can we say? It's nice. We're gonna see how this joint sounds. Look at them welds. Oh, focus. Ooh. Alright, let's get to unbolting this nasty one off. It's time to get rid of these. Alright, so it's a clean full titanium exhaust. They say you have to use like WD-40 or something. And something else. As you can see. God damn, let me see that difference. Look at that and look at this. Sheesh. This one's not even blue anymore, it's purple. Alright, so these joints are so rusted that every single one we take off is just breaking off. We just broke that one. Boom, boom. We got the old mid pipe out. I put the new joint in. Yeah, I'm excited to see how this sounds. What the heck is that? So we got the mud, the muffler deletes over here too. I might be taking these just because it's a single wall, not the double walls. You dig? This one looks so clean. This one sounds so good. So we got the mid pipe on. Now off for the final piece, we're gonna go ahead and put on the, what do you call that? The muffler, the axle back. The final piece to the whole exhaust. All right, it's all on. We're gonna adjust with the, we're gonna play around with the fitment so it can fit good. Now, moment of truth, we're gonna start this jump. A lot better. Alright, so with this exhaust, with this setup, it's NVIDIA Catless downpipe with a full titanium NVIDIA catback. Full titanium, so yeah. Damn, this guy kicking it. Damn. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. Look, you right past me. We in Mexico. Yeah. So yeah. Full Catless downpipe NVIDIA with the NVIDIA catback, full titanium. That's what it is. There you go, boys. Damn, that just sounds good. Damn. That just sound good. Yeah. Man, look at this beautiful sky. It'll be such a beautiful day to have a photo shoot. Damn.